Okay, so hello again, everyone. So let me just check if everybody is already here. So just give me thumbs up. All right, so very good. Most of you are already here. So let's now proceed to the last type of dispersion, which is the variance. Okay, so a statistic known as the variance is also used as a measure of dispersion. So the variance for a given set of data is the square of the standard deviation of the data. So the following charts shows the mathematical notations that are used to denote standard deviations and variances. So we have two types of variance right here. Of course, we have the population and then the sample. And then here are their symbols for the uh, variances for the population and then for the sample. So here we have the symbol for the deviation, and then we have here the symbol for the variance. So if it's population, then you have this one. And if we have, if you're going to solve for the variance, just squared that standard deviation value. Okay, so very easy. So the same example, we have this standard deviation value. Then all you need to do to get the variance is squared this one. Okay, let's proceed now to the example. So find the variance for the sample given example. So find the standard deviation. Okay, so ulitin ko nga, find the variance for this sample given. Okay, on example, find the standard deviation slide 38. Okay, so there should be an on right here. Okay, well, anyway, so this is slide 42. So let's just go back to slide 38. So we have here the standard deviation, okay, which is the square root of 29.5, which is 5.43. So all we need to do is square that one. And as you guys can see, the variance is actually equal to the value of our step number 4. Okay, so if you're going to square this one, so you're just simply canceling the square root, and then it will go back to the 29.5 itself. So all in all, if it's requiring you to solve the variance, so all you to do is, get the value of your step number 4. Well, that is only if you did this one. This is step number 1 to step number 5. But if you are using this one, then all you need to do is squared this standard deviation value. Okay, so are we clear with this one so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Opo, sir.
so anyway, in here I just want to uh, give the gist of what is this variance. So the deviation is the 5.43, right? And then it's acceptable, okay, if it's less than 1. Okay, but in here maybe he is trying to check the average of this after solving this step number 3 is 36, 16, 1, 16, 49, 36, and then the average that you will get is 29.5. So maybe there are some statisticians that are using the value of the variance to get the measure of dispersion. Yeah, anyway, so you can see that the variance is just part of the standard deviation. All right, so that's actually it for the module 5. Okay. So this one is incorrect. I don't know why this one is chapter 4, but yeah, this one is module 5, statistics, because this is a device module. So maybe I wasn't able to change the title. Anyway, so yeah, that's it for the module 5. So any questions so far or clarification? Or if none, so just give me a thumbs up, and then we'll now proceed to my announcement.
Wala na po, sir.
So don't leave yet, because I think this is now your time to shine. All right, so I think there is really no question, so that's good. Only means that you guys were able to understand everything. I'm really happy with that. Anyway, let's now proceed to my announcement. All right. So I hope you guys have already saw this one. This one was posted by Sir Tandingan. Okay. So if you are not yet part of this group, this UC Computer Engineering, let's wait a second. So please join this group since all of you here are computer engineers. So there are 267 members as of now. So just join this group since most of the announcement will be posted here, especially if it's for computer engineering only. So this one was posted by certain Yan. And I just downloaded one, and then here is it. Yeah, here it is now. So as you guys can see, we'll be having a regional virtual challenge. So we have 4 events. So we have Mobile Legend, Quiz Bowl, pitching, and then programming. Okay. So if you guys need the I will post the mechanics for all of those events later on. Okay. But yeah, if you're interested, please do message me since I'm the one who is in charge in Mobile Legends. Okay, that you're interested to join the team of Mobile Legends. So we're going to have a tryout. Okay, so the tryout will be maybe before October 5, since this one is October 16. So that team needs to practice. So hindi porket matataas yung rank ko, okay, or yung mga stars is yun na kagad. Okay, so of course you guys need coordinations and so on and so forth. Okay, and then we will still check batawag dito, some maybe techniques or strategies since I will be like your coach in this one. Well, I'm not that good in Mobile Legends, but the other instructors doesn't play Mobile Legends, so that is why I am the one deep assigned to this event. Well, if you're interested in quiz bowl, so just contact Sir Diane or Ma'am Tere or Ma'am Karen. So they are the one who's in charge with this one. So same with pitching and then programming. Okay. So they have different dates, and then these are the schools that you'll be competed with. So we have Lagave Campus, Pocha Campus, we have the Kalinga State University, and then of course the UC itself, and then the University of Baguio. So there will be 5 universities who's going to compete with those events. Okay, and then of course there is a cash prize, I think. Yeah, but I'm not really sure how much. Yeah, but there is a cash prize, there is a certificate, there is a medal. Okay, those are the things that I've heard during our meeting. And here is the thing that you guys need to worry. Okay, since this is really a pain in the ass. But I've heard that once you join one of this event and then you pay the membership fee, which is 250, and then registration fee per group. So in that, let's say in Mobile Legend, you have to pay individually and then 500 as a group. Okay, it's like 1,500 all in all kapag 5 kayo. But if you have one more reserve player, then it's like 1,750. So I just heard that once you registered to any of those events, you will be a member of ICPEP. So you're going to have an ID. Okay. So if you're not a member of ICPEP, this organization of ours, okay, so soon you're going to be a member of this one. So you'll be needing this one in your future career. So we now have 2 certifications. We have certified computer engineering. I don't know if you guys have already heard that one. And then we have the like the board exam type. So uh, as you guys may already know, we don't have board exam, right? But this PCPE, this professional computer engineering, is equal, okay, or it's equivalent of the board exam of other engineers. Okay, so we have 2 certifications under this organization. So make sure to be a member first, so that you will start receiving some news about ICPEP, Okay, news about webinars. There's actually a lot of benefits if you're a member of ICPEP. Okay, like in 1 month, we have 3 or 4 webinars, like talking about Python, talking about maybe Laravel. Okay, napakadami actually. So just join to this group, this ICPEP SE.UC. So it was also posted in here by Sir Tandingan. And he is also posting, some jobs. Okay, and then we also congratulate people who is maybe excellent with their jobs. And then we have some webinars right here for Laravel. Okay, so this one was before, like way back July last sem. Okay, and then just July, I got my certification. Okay, for the CCPE. So all of us computer engineers now are CCPE certified. But as you
Congrats,
guys can
sir.
see right, thank you so much. But as you guys can see right here, Sir Dion is already a PCPE. So professional, hindi nyo lang siguro makita, but yeah, he is now a PCPE. So he is like a board passer now. Okay. So grandfather rule kasi. So hindi na siya nag-take ng exam. But yeah, he is already practicing 10 years more on his profession. So that is why it's like automatic already. Okay. And many more and so on. And then this is the main event for the NatCon. So you guys are always seeing this one since this is my virtual background. So this is what they required us to, to have just to join this NatCon. So this NatCon was, composes of many countries, not only in the Philippines. So we have, peoples from Oman, people from Singapore. So this is like an international group. So that's why it's called InterNatCon. So in here, you can, uh, kasi ito 2 days to eh. I mean 3 days actually, August 27, 28, and then 29. So you will learn a lot of things. So for this whole day, tapos magiging ano pa to, whole day pa yata, hindi ako nagkakamali. So from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. So ang daming nagsasalita and so on and so forth. So yung iba hindi namin naintindihan kasi mga foreigner yung nagsasalita. And yeah, hindi ko rin napakinggan lahat. And many more and so on and so forth. Okay, yeah. And then webinar for cloud computing. So, yun yung mga advantage kapag sumali kayo sa, nasa na yun? Sa event na to. Kasi magiging member kayo ng ICPEP. Okay? So, yun na lang isipin nyo kung bakit ganun kalaki yung the registration fee and then the membership fee. Okay? So, yeah. Just message me before October 5 so that we can finalize the ML players. So may I know, just give me a thumbs up, those people who plays Mobile Legend. Dalawa lang, tatlo lang, apat lang. Okay.
Ang 5 ka, sir.
Ha?
Ang 5 ka, sir, sana.
Ano?
You're the 5th one.
Ang 5 ka sana, sir.
Ano? Hindi ko, teka lang, lakas ako
Pang-5 ka daw, sir.
Pang 5 ka sana, sir.
No. So, if you guys are going to read the mechanics, so I think it's right here. So it should be student only. Okay, well, anyway, I won't be discussing this one today. I will just discuss this one once we are done finalizing the team. Okay, so here is the complete mechanics. So don't you guys worry. I will upload this one. I mean, I will announce this one. Okay, I'll just post this one on the announcement so that you guys can read everything. Okay, but to make up with the summary, I made another one. So feel free to read this one. This one is for the Mobile Legend only, since I'm the one who's in charge with this one. So you guys already know the basics. You are playing the Mobile Legend. So Streams Night is strongly prohibited, of course, since this one is online. So dapat isa lang. Okay, which is ako lang actually. Ako lang yung magiging spectator. Okay, and then ako lang yung pwedeng mag-pause ng game, and kung may nangyaring dayaan, so siguro makikita naman kasi in here one more thing. So there is an additional one. So you guys are going to play live, okay? And then dapat kita rin yung mukha nyo. So just to give you a quick scenario, I don't know if you guys have already watched ML tournaments. ML tournaments. So they are, since they are in one place. So kaya yun. Yeah, something like this. So since they are in one place, they can do this one. And then before the game will start, they will show their phones just to show that they are really the one who's playing. Okay, so don't think about of cheating. Kasi mamaya, like, yung rank mo lang is, let's say, epic, right? But you've let someone who played to, let's say, 2,000 mythical glory. So that would be unfair, right? Well, hindi naman siya totally unfair kasi wala namang like a division. So any rank will do, kahit grandmaster or master ka pa, as long as sabi nating Smurf account mo yun, di ba? Kasi kahit grandmaster ka, pero kung yung mga win rate ng mga heroes mo is like 90% and above and everything. So yeah, you're really a good player. So rank here doesn't matter. Okay, since magkakaroon naman tayo ng screening, magkakaroon tayo ng tryout. So we will finalize everything before October 16, before the the actual ML tournament, wherein yung kalaban nyo na kaagad dito is those universities. Okay? So yeah, that is one thing that you guys need to consider. And then the rest are pretty basic already. Okay? So ito naman yung mechanics ng iba. So I'll just post this one.